In this video tutorial, you will learn how to program an automated car wash tunnel using Grafcet. As shown in the diagram on the right, the driver has 4 available options. For example, if option 1 is selected, the system activates 3 steps: water, rinsing, and drying. When the Move Car button turns green, the driver must proceed to the next step during simulation. This is done by clicking the button. Each step lasts for a predefined time of 5 seconds, during which the status lamp remains green. If a station's lamp does not turn on, it means that station is not active for the selected option. Now let's move on to programming. I've already defined the PLC data types for pumps and valves, assuming that each station requires activating a corresponding valve, except for the drying station, which uses a pump. In the GVL Data Block, tunnel steps is a structure containing all 5 stations. Car position includes feedback sensors that detect the car's presence at each station. The control section consists of parameters such as auto cycle enable, fault detection, fault reset, HMI move car indicator, and auto cycle reset. To visualize the car's position on the screen, I use the HMI car position tag and a move car push button to simulate the car advancing to the next station. The fault array monitors errors at each station. Now, let's review the motor and valve function blocks, followed by the function block for system error detection. The tutorial continues in the next part, where we will explain in detail how to program the process steps in Grafcet.